How to get Chromebook out of dark mode. Right now I have my Chromebook device running dark mode and everything looks dark. Not just the interface of the operating system itself, but also the website and apps that I use, they are going to be turning dark, which is convenient in some cases, but I should admit that dark mode is not for everyone, and sometimes, even though I'm a fan of dark mode, sometimes it is better to just use the light mode, like when reading or doing web browsing. Generally speaking, I think light mode is a lot better. So if you have your Chromebook running the dark mode, how do you turn back to the light mode? Well, it's pretty simple. Just right click on the desktop, click set wallpaper and style, and then here you see that I'm using dark mode. If you want to go back to the light mode, just click light and everything will turn into a light mode. And remember, some apps might need to be refreshed or relaunched to see the new changes. So if I open the Gemini app again, you should be able to see the light mode version of the app, and it looks the opposite as the dark mode. So that's how you can do it. But of course, there's also an option for auto, which is very interesting. But the auto option will basically turn on the dark mode when it is nighttime in your area. Right now, I'm recording this video in the day, and that's why it's not going to be turning into dark mode. But if I'm, let's say, waiting long enough until night, it's usually going to turn the theme into dark mode. And I think this is actually the best balance that basically allows you to get the best benefits of both methods. Sorry, both styles. You can use light mode during the day and dark mode at night. So that's how you can disable and also enable dark mode in your Chromebook device. I hope you find this tutorial video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.